Want to display social media reviews on your website? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. The plugin allows you to embed social media reviews from platforms like Facebook on your site without needing any design or coding skills. To purchase and download the plugin, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on your WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Click on that, and this will take you inside the plugin, and at the top, the first thing we'll have to do is activate our license key. Paste the license key from your Smashballoon account over here, and click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our reviews feed. Go click on Add New, and for our first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and on this menu, you can see all the different sources you can choose from for your reviews. For instance, you can create a feed of reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. For this video, we want to display our social media reviews. So we're going to select Facebook, and at the bottom, click on Connect with Facebook. Next, on this page, make sure your source type is set to Page, and underneath that, you can click on Connect to Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and you should see all the Facebook pages associated with your account in this menu. Select the page where you want to source your Facebook reviews from, like this, and click Next. And over here, it's asking for permission to connect Smashballoon with our Facebook account. Don't worry, all it's doing is viewing the information it needs to display our feed, but it won't be allowed to make any changes or post on our behalf, so it's completely safe. You can click on Done, and then click OK. Back inside the plugin, you should now see the Facebook pages that you've connected with the plugin. And here is a page we want to source our reviews from, so I'm going to select it like this, and click Add Page as a Source. You should now see the Facebook page as an option for a source, so you can select it like this, and click Next. And for our final step, we'll have to select from one of these professionally designed templates for the layout of our reviews feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, single review, showcase carousel, and grid carousel. All of these options allow you to create beautiful reviews feeds without needing any design skills. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with the simple cards template and click Next. And in just a matter of minutes, we have an amazing social media reviews feed displaying all of our reviews from Facebook. This feed is currently displaying the reviews from the Facebook page that we connected and in the cards template that we selected. This is now ready to be embedded on our WordPress web page, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. And inside, you'll see several options to modify the layout of your feed. Currently, you can see that we have the list layout selected, which displays your reviews in a single column list. Next, we have the masonry layout, which displays your reviews in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through your reviews like this. For this tutorial, I'm going to stick with the list layout, and if you look below, you can also choose how many reviews you'd like to display on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we're only displaying 4 reviews inside this feed, but if you wanted to change that, you can simply modify it like this by entering the number of reviews you want to display. For example, if I only wanted to display 2 reviews, this is what it would look like. You can see instantly the changes have been made inside a live preview. I'm going to change that back to 4, and if you're happy with the layout of your reviews feed, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify how the reviews are displayed inside the feed, under the Customize tab, go into Reviews. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you should see all the different elements inside each review on your feed, such as the author and date, the rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they're included. Each of these elements can be hidden or shown depending on your preference. For example, if I wanted to hide the author and date, I can simply uncheck it like this, and that will hide all the authors and dates on the feed. And if I wanted to bring that back, I can simply recheck it like this, and it will appear on my feed once again. But you'll notice now that the author and date are at the bottom of your feed. This just shows that the elements inside each review can be arranged according to your preference. So if I wanted to move the author and date back to the top, all I have to do is simply grab it and drag it to the top like this. And you can see instantly the change has been made inside a live preview. And you can do the same thing with the other elements as well. For example, if I wanted to move the star ratings down to the bottom, I can drag it and drop it over here. Now, the rating is at the bottom of the reviews. With these options, you have complete control over how the reviews look on your feed. And if you make any changes, go click on Save on the top right corner. And lastly, if you want to moderate which reviews you want to display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside, you'll find several options to filter the content inside your feed. At the top, you can choose to filter reviews based on their star rating. For example, if I only wanted to display 5-star reviews, I can check it over here, and now my feed will only display reviews that contain 5-star ratings. I'm going to uncheck that. Below that, you also have the options to enter words as filters, so your feed will hide or show reviews containing those words. And at the very bottom, you can also include a minimum and maximum character count for the reviews inside your feed. With this option, you can choose whether you want to display long, in-depth reviews or short, bite-sized ones. And if you wanted even more moderation controls, let's go back into the settings menu and click on moderation. And now if we enable moderation mode, you have two different ways to use it. With the allow list, all reviews will be hidden by default apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. And next, with the block list, all reviews will be shown apart from the ones you manually choose to hide like this. I'm going to disable moderation mode, and you can see that with the filtering and moderation settings, you have complete control over the reviews you display inside your feed. And if you made any changes, click on save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, go click on embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, and click add. Here we are now on our WordPress webpage, and to embed our feed, we have two different options. First option is to use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using block editor, you can use a dedicated reviews feed block like this. With this option, you can see a live preview of your reviews feed right inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on update and check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our amazing new Facebook reviews feed. It's currently displaying all the latest reviews from our Facebook page in the cards template that we selected. Each review includes the author name and profile picture, the review text, and the star rating at the bottom. But on the right hand side, you'll also notice a Facebook logo, indicating that that review is from Facebook. And at the top of your feed, inside the header of your reviews feed, you can see the average rating for your Facebook page and the total number of reviews. Next, on the right hand side, you'll also notice a write a review button. If you click on that, that will take your site visitor directly to your Facebook page inside the reviews tab, making it super easy for them to leave reviews for your business directly from your WordPress website. And that's how we embed a social media reviews feed on WordPress. But if you're wondering if we can embed this inside the footer or sidebar of our website, we definitely can. Let me show you how. Back inside the plugin, I've just created a second reviews feed for the footer of our website. To embed it, click on embed on the top right corner, copy a dedicated shortcode, and instead of clicking on add to a page, click on add to a widget. And this will take you inside the WordPress widgets menu. And to embed it, we have the same two options as before. We can either use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we copied, or we can use a dedicated reviews feed block. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go with the shortcode block and paste my shortcode over here. Once that's done, click on update, and let's have a look at what it looks like on the live webpage. And here we are now on our WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have that reviews feed we created earlier in the cards template. And if I scroll down now into the footer of our website, we have a second reviews feed directly embedded inside the footer. This one is just as fast and responsive as the first one, allowing site visitors to swipe through your reviews like this. So you now know how to embed a social media reviews feed both in the footer and on your web page as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.